Hello Year 9 students. In this clip, we're going to share with you the steps required to set up your Mac for NAPLAN testing in 2024. To participate in NAPLAN testing in 2024, you will need to download and install an app called the NAP Lockdown Browser. Alrighty, let's begin. First, let's open a web browser. In this example, we're going to use Google Chrome. Once you've opened the web browser, we'd like you to click in the address bar and navigate to leongatha.sc/NAPLAN Mac and press the Enter or Return key. This will download the NAP Lockdown Browser package file. If you're having difficulty navigating to this address, we'll include a link in the description below and in the Favorites menu in Compass. The Favorites menu has an icon of the little star. Once the download is complete, we'd like you to navigate to the package file that you've just downloaded and double-click on it to launch the Setup Assistant. The first alert that you will receive is regarding a package that will run to determine if the software can be installed. We'd like you to click on the Allow button. A prompt to install Rosetta may appear. This prompt will only appear if Rosetta is required. If the Rosetta installation prompt appears, please click the Install button. This will take a moment to find and download the Rosetta app. You may be required to enter a password. This is a password that you use to log into your Mac. Once you've typed in your password, click on the Install Software button. The Rosetta package will download and install, and we will return to the Installation Assistant. We'll now see another warning informing us that a package will run to determine if the software can be installed. We'd like you to click the Allow button. You'll now see a message that lets you know that the Installation Assistant is going to guide you through the steps necessary to install the NAP 2023 Lockdown Browser. We can go ahead and click the Continue button. We'll now see a software license agreement. We'd like you to click the Continue button. And we would now like you to click the Agree button to accept the terms and conditions. You'll now be prompted to enter a device name. You can accept the defaults and click the Continue button. You'll now be prompted to select the destination to install the NAP Lockdown Browser. We can click the Continue button to accept the default settings here. And we're now being told that the amount of space will be taken up on your machine to install the NAP Lockdown Browser. We can go ahead and click the Install button. You may be prompted to enter your password. Again, this is the password that you use to log into your Mac. Go ahead and type your password. Go ahead and click the Install Software button. You may be prompted to allow the installer to access your downloads folder. We'd like you to click the OK button. It will take a moment to install the NAP Lockdown Browser. And now we can see that the installation was successful. We can now go ahead and click the Close button. We'll now be prompted to move the NAP Lockdown Browser installer to the bin. As we have successfully installed the software, we can go ahead and move this to the bin. All right, so the installation of the NAP Lockdown Browser is complete. Before we launch the NAP Lockdown Browser for the first time, we need to grant the NAP Lockdown Browser full disk access to the machine. To do this, we'd like you to click the Apple menu, click System Settings. Once you've launched System Settings, we'd like you to use the left-hand navigation pane and find and then click on Privacy and Security. Now in the main navigation pane here, we'd like you to scroll down and find and then click on Full Disk Access. Once we're in the full disk access of System Settings, we'd like you to click the plus button to grant access to another application. You may be prompted to enter your password here. This is the password that you use to log into your Mac. Go ahead, type your password and click the Unlock button. We'd now like you to click the Applications folder And then from the list of applications, we'd like you to scroll down and find the NAP Lockdown browser. Click on it once, and then click the Open button. We can now see that the NAP Lockdown browser has full disk access, and this is confirmed by the toggle switched on. This is fantastic. We can now go ahead and close the system settings. Okay, now it's time to launch the NAP Lockdown browser for the first time. You can do this by clicking on Launchpad. This will show you a full list of apps that are installed on your computer. Find and click on the NAP 2023 Lockdown browser icon. This will launch the NAP Lockdown browser. If you see a message saying that prohibited processes are detected, we'd like you to go ahead and click on the Yes button. We would now like to confirm that you have the correct version of the NAP Lockdown browser. At the time of recording, the correct version of the NAP Lockdown browser is 5.7.1. Once you've confirmed that you have this version of the NAP Lockdown browser, you can click the small cross button at the bottom right-hand corner of the app. This will prompt you to exit the app. You can simply click the Yes button to confirm you would like to exit the app. We wish you all the best and good luck with the testing.